viewers, welcome back to the channel. Sometimes a simple wall in our home is not just a wall, it's become a story creativity of calm moments and our beauty created with our own hands. In today's videos we are creating a beautiful wall decoration using artificial flowers and mirrors. This decor is not only elegant but also timeless, affordable and full of peaceful energy. If you have soft aesthetic and handmade decor, this video is made just for you. Imagine gentle sunlight entering the room, reflecting softly through a mirror, and around it delicate artificial flowers adding warmth and charm. Mirrors bring light and space, flowers bring life and softness together. They create balance. This decor is not loud, not heavy. It's a calm, graceful, and quietly beautiful. The best part of the decor is how simple it is to create. You don't need expensive supplies. All you need is artificial flowers of your dance, your choice, one or more decoration mirrors, a strong glue, a glue gun, a little patience, and lots of creativity. Because when something is more with care, it always do look special. We begin by placing the mirror at the center. The mirror is the heart of this design. Slowly and carefully we start arranging the artificial flowers around it. There is no rush. Creativity works best when we take our time. A flower on the top, one on the side, adjusting shapes, color and balance until the design feeling right. This is the moment when decorations turn into art. Artificial flowers never fade, they stay beautiful in every season, just like memories we want to keep forever. A mirror, they don't just reflect our image, they reflect lights, energy, and the atmosphere of our home. This decoration is for those who believe that beauty lives in simple details. Now, as everything comes together, the final result feels complete. The mirror shines gently, the flower frame it perfectly, and the wall feels alive. This decor looks stunning in a living room, bedroom, hallway, or even near an entrance. It adds elegance without effort and charm without clutter. And the best feeling when someone asks, "Where did you buy this?" and you smile and say, "I made it myself." Remember, a home is not built only with walls but with love, creativity, and handmade touches. Every small DIY project builds confidence. Maybe today it's just a cure, and tomorrow it's become your patience, your hobby, or even your small business. Never underestimate what your hands can create. If you enjoy this artificial flower and mirror wall decoration, don't forget to share my channel and spread the video with your friends and family, and post your valuable comments, your suggestions, your thoughts, which is very precious and valuable for me.